So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to deposit money in Binance in 3 different ways. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So first I'm going to teach you how to deposit in 3 ways. So the first option is going to be by logging into Binance first, of course. And then here I will show you the first step, which is the first option which is depositing from your card directly from Binance. So just head into Binance, then you buy crypto, then deposit crypto. So you just go here, then you try to buy crypto, and then let's just say you need USDT. You buy crypto, then you buy with PHP, and then there you go. You buy it right there. Then after you buy the crypto, you just deposit the crypto, then deposit fiat, then deposit your local currency into USDT, which is the US dollar equivalent of the cryptocurrency world. So there you go. So the next one is by buying using your credit or debit card. So note that you have to link your credit or debit card right here in Binance so that you can buy. So I recommend buying local. You're converting your local currency into USDT and exchanging the USDT for crypto. So let's say you have $500, then you convert it into USDT as I said here, and then you use the USDT to buy other cryptocurrencies, and that's a better way. So next is deposit from another crypto wallet. So all you have to do for that is just going to again wallet spot USDT, then right here you just press deposit crypto, and then you go for BP20 as your network, and then you just copy the address and send it to the wallet that you're trying to get it from, so that you will receive another deposit from your other wallet, which is the cheapest way and the best way too. So those are just the 3 ways to deposit money in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.